Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is an art critique by the National Gallery. This is not my video, but do enjoy.
Arts Workfly.
Welcome to the National Gallery of Jamaica. Today I'm going to introduce to you a simple way of doing an art analysis. 1. Selecting the artwork. 2. Setting time for observation. 3. Choosing a method of documentation. 4. Refreshing your knowledge of art terms. 5. Using these words to draft sentences and paragraphs for the reflective journal. Your information needs to be organized into 3 sections: a description, an analysis, and an evaluation. Your description identifies the artwork. It tells you the title of the work, the name of the artist, the date, the medium that was used to create it, and the subject matter. This artwork is done by Osmond Watson and it's called Jallives, done in 1984. It's an oil on canvas painting and its subject matter is a depiction of Jesus Christ as a dark-skinned, dreadlocked man wearing a white robe. Your analysis will explore the finer details of the artwork. This can include use of techniques, use of elements and principles of art, and the effect that these create within the composition. Jallives by Osmond Watson shows a combination of painting techniques including scumbling, which you can see evidence of in the cloud or mist-like brush marks in the background. Regarding art elements and principles, there are many examples that one can find in this painting. But for the purpose of this presentation, we can focus on lines and color. Lines are evident in the depiction of the dreadlocks as well as they are evident in the folds of the robe. And while color is everywhere on this canvas, it's important to note that the colors that make up the halo are the colors of the Jamaican national flag. Now, what is the effect that all of this has on this work? Well, for one, the lines in the dreadlocks leading into the robe actually helps to give the figure more length and make him look much more taller, almost statuesque. And this is important because we often make statues of people that we want to remember or people who we consider to be important. In this case, this is a depiction of Jesus Christ, who is an important figure in Christianity. The evaluation explores the value of the artwork to your chosen expressive forms and theme. There are several themes one can attach to Jallives, but perhaps the most obvious one is religion. This is evidenced by the Christ figure, the halo around his head, which is a symbol of divinity, and even the crown of thorns on the bottom left of the painting, which is also associated with the story of Jesus Christ.
Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.